Xin Chào! Welcome back to my Halong Bay adventure part 2. In this part, I will dive even deeper into the stunning beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site.
That's our cruise.
We've left behind our cruise and taken a boat to reach the surprise cave.
Of the cave is Hang Sung Sot, just about to enter. Enter. So we have entered the caves almost, and we'll reach this shortly.
This is the view from the Sung Sung cave.
As we venture into the heart of Halong Bay, we arrive at the magnificent cave. This expansive cave system, discovered by the French in 1901, is renowned for its impressive stalactites and stalagmites, which have formed over millions of years. As we wander through its two main chambers, marvel at the natural sculptures illuminated by vibrant lights, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. Each corner reveals a new wonder, from towering columns to delicate formations, making this cave a true gem of Halong Bay.
I just came out from the Sung Sung cave and it was like magical. It was unbelievable. I felt like I'm in a set of a movie, Hollywood movie especially. It's unbelievable. Going in for a short swim.
Even though it's a bit crowded today, the cool, refreshing water is perfect for a dip, and being surrounded by the stunning limestones makes this experience even more magical.
Beautiful. Next one.
The food that was served for dinner was unique and delicious, but it was limited.
Tasty goose meat.
Our cruise transforms into a serene heaven under the starry sky, creating a tranquil ambience perfect for unwinding. Good morning. Unfortunately, I was not able to capture the sunrise because my battery died off. But look at the scene. It's so peaceful around here. I think I have not disappointed you all. In our package, we were given the option of either river rafting or boating, and I selected boating. The thrill of navigating through the bay's calm yet mysterious waters is an experience like no other. As our journey through Halong Bay comes to a close, from the mystical caves and serene waters to the breathtaking landscapes, Halong Bay has left an inedible mark on us. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.